This is exactly the kind of hidden treasure, a one-in-a-million moment in nature that you're looking for. Let's explore. In May, the strongest solar storm in more than 2 decades hit Earth. Not only did it create stunning aurora displays in the sky, but it also threatened to disrupt satellites and power grids across the globe. A huge fire tornado had formed. The fire in the square actually caused another phenomenon called a fire tornado, which looked very shocking. Forest fires in California, USA, rarely see such fire tornadoes, but a giant one has formed in the Bromo mountain area, Java, Indonesia, where a large forest fire has occurred for 5 days. Have you ever seen this? Marvel at the incredible power of nature with volcanic lightning at Volc in de Fuego in Guatemala. Wow! Do you know about fire tornadoes? Can they be recreated in the laboratory? The simulated fire tornado is very terrifying. Have you ever heard of a fire tornado? If you witnessed this strange phenomenon, what would you do first? Take a photo and post it online, or run quickly? Comment below. Seeing this, do you feel hot yet? Be mentally prepared because right after this fire tornado, we will continue to witness a dramatic and turbulent storm, Hurricane Ida. It left destruction in its wake. Walls collapsed, bricks and debris lay on the ground, and inside exposed buildings at several locations throughout the city. In some cases, roofs were lost or buildings were reduced to rubble. What a horrifying scene that we could not have predicted. Solar death ray experiments show that when sunlight passes through a large lens, it can reach extremely high temperatures, enough to melt hard materials such as lava. Massive volcano eruptions also create landscapes filled with rock and unexplored caves, where continuous waterfalls form beautiful chandelier-like limestone formations. The ocean's fury begins with towering waves crashing against the shores of Gyosin. To put it humorously, this is a town that rides the wind and waves. What is going on? A strange object suddenly appeared on a 4-lane road in California. Luckily, it wasn't a big rock, so it didn't pose any serious danger. Cars suddenly became foam cleaners when large amounts of sea foam flooded into the city from Resaca Beach. What is it? Next, we will dive together into the vast ocean, where strange and beautiful creatures await. Imagine you are diving deep in the ocean, and suddenly a giant monster appears in front of you. But don't worry, it's just a giant octopus, one of the strangest and most intelligent creatures under the sea. Somehow, the octopus had moved to the front of the volcanic eruption in Guatemala. Prepare a warm jacket and a cup of hot cocoa because what you're about to witness will send shivers down your spine. Have you ever experienced a real snowstorm? When the snow is so thick that you can't see anything but white, and the cold wind makes you shiver, that's when Mother Nature decides to turn the world into a frozen wasteland in a matter of seconds. Have you ever stood in front of a giant glacier? That's when you feel the majesty and coldness of nature, where large blocks of ice float and move slowly like ice monsters. Please comment number 1 if you also love winter. Experience the challenge of cleaning up ice, which is easier than ever. Have you ever witnessed the angry sea? The sky is scary. Our sailors are challenged all the time when a whirlpool appears, turning the sea into a giant vortex. These eddies are formed when the tide fills the harbor, creating strong currents and circular movements. Wow, that's amazing! In the middle of a beautiful day, suddenly, a giant tornado appeared. Oh no, not one but 4 tornadoes. To put it humorously, it's like the sky is lacking water and is pumping it up. Like an uninvited guest, the tornado swept away everything in its path, creating a chaotic scene and turning an ordinary day into a reluctant adventure. Oh my God, that's terrible. Do you see how devastating this tornado is? Please comment number 1. After tornadoes and scary phenomena on the ground, we will move on to another magical phenomenon from the sky: electrical storms. The sound is so haunting. Oh my God, I'm afraid of thunder. Then a wind turbine in Texas suddenly caught fire after being hit by lightning. The scene was like a giant unexpected firework. Speaking of fireworks, wow, isn't that great? Let's enter the world of sandstorms, where the whole space is covered with dust and sand, turning everything into a hazy yellow color. Have you ever experienced a sandstorm? Sandstorms not only make it difficult to move, but also cause suffocation and harm to health. Oh my goodness, look at that. Next, we will explore one of the phenomena that few people have the opportunity to witness: frozen waterfalls. Prepare a warm jacket, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. Always be careful when visiting these places, and don't forget to bring warm clothes to protect yourself from the biting cold. I was shocked at the sight before my eyes of Niagara Falls frozen in winter. The sudden melting causes the rock to lose its support, resulting in a terrible landslide, with rocks sweeping away everything in their path, as if nature was expressing its anger. However, that's just the beginning. Like a cunning person hiding, a tornado suddenly appeared, swirling white snow. Wow, it wasn't as scary as I thought. Which tornado is more dangerous? Snow tornado or fire tornado? Please comment number 1 if you choose snow tornado, and comment number 2 if you choose fire tornado. Winter snowfall, although cold, brings fun and funny moments, making winter more interesting and memorable than ever. But winter is not just about quietly falling snowflakes and romance. When the snowstorm turns on hurricane mode, everything instantly turns into a thrilling action movie. The street disappears in a thick layer of snow. The cars become warriors fighting the storm. Whether you have to work hard to shovel snow or get snow blown into your face, winter with its snowstorm always brings unforgettable memories and will definitely make you smile every time you remember. Please comment number 1 if you want to go to the Sponge City. Please comment number 1 if you want to go to the Sponge City. Wow, the earthly clouds are so beautiful. I guess it's a well-seen volcanic eruption with black clouds resembling giant cotton balls. It looks like a giant toaster just popped the lid off someone burned the cake. But have you ever heard of mud volcanoes? If you love mud baths, please comment number 1, don't be shy. This is Mother Nature's spa experience. A mud volcano in its truest form. With this video taken up close right, at the center of the eruption mud is flying. Who wants to take a bath? As you move deeper into the city, whether you like it or not, they will always be there to welcome you, reminding you that no matter how busy life is, stop for a moment to enjoy the simple, meaningful moments. This is the most unique festival, but remember to stay away from the swirling flames. You don't want to get roasted. In contrast to that fire is the coldness of snowflakes. White snow is really beautiful, but it is also the main reason why we go to work late every day. Thank you, snow. Imagine you are rushing down from the top of a hill, the wind blowing strongly in your face, and all around you is a cool green strip stretching endlessly. The feeling of freedom and excitement is indescribable, as if you are flying in nature. The train travels through the snow like a scene from a cartoon. Imagine train cars lining up, rushing through the white landscape as if running away from Santa Claus. It's really shaking, even the sea won't calm down under the sea floor during a major earthquake. You can see the seafloor move, and the water becomes turbid because of the sand rising due to the 5.9 magnitude earthquake. Oh, look! Strangely colored clouds appeared in the sky. The scene is so majestic and beautiful. If you love penguins, please comment number 1 to share your love. The spiral bridge is truly an architectural masterpiece. Going up this bridge will definitely make you more dizzy than riding a roller coaster. It is beautiful beyond imagination. You're right, that's a waterspout at sea. Oh my God, not just 1 but 4 appeared at the same time. The swirling columns of water danced wildly under the gray sky, as if the ocean was holding a rave party. It seems that these fish are running away from that waterspout party who wants to get caught up. When the Earth decides to wobble to express its personality, earthquakes occur when the tectonic plates of the Earth's crust collide and shift, releasing energy in a giant shaking party. Have you ever wondered why some places shake all day while other places are as peaceful as a rock? It is one of the mysteries that scientists are trying to solve. Anyway, always remember to stay calm and know how to protect yourself when the Earth wants to show off. The consequences of earthquakes are no joke. Houses collapse, streets crack, and sometimes even tsunamis join the party. Imagine you're peacefully on the beach, sipping a cocktail, and suddenly you see a wall of water as tall as a skyscraper coming your way. That is the tsunami, the banquet of the sea. But don't panic, scientists have developed an early warning system to help us have time to evacuate safely. So when the Earth decides to have a party, you still have a chance to get out of the party safely. Oh no! Did you know volcanic eruptions not only bring destruction, but also create beautiful landscapes and new lands? After each fire injection, the surrounding land becomes extremely fertile, creating conditions for life to thrive. But let's put volcanoes aside for a moment and look at the beautiful and mysterious sight of the northern lights in the sky. The northern lights are like a cosmic symphony, with magical lights dancing in the sky. The colors blend and change continuously, from green to purple, as if someone is painting with colored light. Have you ever seen this phenomenon? It's an unforgettable experience that makes us feel small in the vast universe. Take care and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.